GMOs are genetically modified organisms, are organisms whose genetic materials or DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. This means scientists can change an organism traits by adding, removing, or modifying specific genes. Genetic engineering involves manipulating an organism's genes using techniques like recombinant DNA technology, inserting DNA from one organism into another. Gene editing, precisely altering specific DNA sequences. BT corn is a genetically modified organism. This means its genetic material has been altered using biotechnology techniques to express a protein toxic to certain insect pests. This gene responsible for producing this insecticidal protein comes from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. This bacterium naturally produces proteins that are toxic to specified insect larvae, primarily caterpillars. By inserting the BT gene into the corn's genome, the plant itself produces the insecticidal protein, eliminating the need for repeated applications of chemical insecticides. Golden rice is a genetically modified plant variety of rice, Oryza sativa, engineered to produce beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, in its edible parts. It was developed to address vitamin A deficiency, a major public health concern affecting millions of children and pregnant women globally, particularly in regions where rice is a staple food. BT eggplant, a genetically engineered eggplant that is resistant to certain insect pests. BT eggplant is a genetically modified eggplant that contains a gene from the soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. The gene produces a protein that is toxic to some insects, but not to humans or animals. This protein protects the eggplant from the eggplant fruit and shoot borer, a destructive pest. How is BT eggplant used? BT eggplant has been approved for food and feed consumption in some countries, including the Philippines. Some say that BT eggplant can increase marketable yield by up to 192% and reduce pesticides used by up to 48%. Genetically modified pigs have emerged as a valuable tool in biomedical research, offering unique insights into human diseases and potential solutions for organ transplantation. While the use of GMO pigs in food production remains controversial, their applications in biomedicines are rapidly expanding. The development of GMO pigs for research purposes has been driven by their striking physiological similarities to humans. Pigs share numerous anatomical and physiological features with humans, making them ideal models for studying human diseases and testing potential therapies. GMO tomatoes, or genetically modified tomatoes, are tomatoes that have had their genes altered using genetic engineering techniques. The purpose of creating GMO tomatoes varies, but generally focuses on enhancing desirable traits like extending shelf life, pest resistance, environmental stress tolerance, or improved nutritional value. Genetically modified sugar beets have become a significant part of the sugar industry in North America, particularly in the United States, where they account for a large portion of domestically produced sugar. These beets are engineered to be resistant to the herbicide glyphosate, commonly known as Roundup, offering potential benefits for farmers but also raising concerns about environmental and health impacts. The world of medicine has been captivated by the recent advancements in pig heart transplants, offering a glimmer of hope for patients with end-stage heart failure. This groundbreaking procedure, known as xenotransplantation, involves transplanting organs from animals into humans, and pigs have emerged as a promising source due to their physiological similarities to humans. The first pig heart transplant. In January 2022, the world witnesses the historic event the first successful transplant of a genetically modified pig heart into a human patient named David Bennett at the University of Maryland Medical Center. Bennett, a 57 years old man with advanced heart failure, was ineligible for a human heart transplant and had no other options for survival. The surgery was approved by the FDA under the Compassionate Use Authorization as it was considered as a last resort for Bennett. Pig heart transplants are a promising new frontier in medicine, offering a potential solution to this crisis. This video will delve into the science, the ethics, and the future of the groundbreaking technology.
Good day everyone, my name is Joshua Alarcon from BSMT 1A. Here are the benefits of genetically modified organism. It offers a second chance at life to people of all ages who have life-threatening diseases or injuries to their vital genes or organs. Corneas, tendons, and bones can enhance lives by helping restore sight, movement, and other physical functions. No. The advantages of using a pig's heart to create a human heart versus growing a heart directly from stem cells are compatibility. A pig's heart is more compatible with a human body compared to a heart grown from stem cells, reducing the risk of rejection by the recipient's immune system. There is disadvantages of GMO and potential risk, albeit small, that porcine endogenous retroviruses could cause human infection or could recombine or merge with human endogenous retroviruses to create a new viruses. Worth noting is that live organ transfer is very different to use of heart valves from pigs used in humans.